Hello everyone and welcome to the channel and planet. So today we are going to see the calculations regarding sum and addition for the whole particular column or whole particular row, as well as for the adding the values from the variable number of cells or variable values selecting from the table which we have already drawn. So these are the values which are in light gray color where you are going to use for the calculation method. So in this cell, if I want to calculate the total number of sum of this particular column for these all rows in the January, I am going to put is equal to sign in the cell where I am going to calculate the value. Then I am going to write sum bracket start, and then I am going to choose the value from where I am going to calculate the value for the sum. Then put colon, then select the cell till where you want to get your value calculated in the column, then bracket close and press enter. So to verify that we have rightly put the formula, you can just choose the value and look at the sum over here, 1069. So if I want to calculate the sum of the values for all of these number of the columns, for all of these columns, I just need to drag this cells underneath. Now in case we want to verify, we have rightly put the formula, just select the value for which you have calculated the sum. It's 116 in the formula and 116 in the Excel sheet as well, so it's rightly done over here. Now I'm going to put the same procedure for the rows, and I'm going to calculate the sum for the whole row. In which cell I want to calculate this value, I will put equal to sign, then write sum bracket start, then the initial value from where I'm going to start calculating the value, and colon, then the end cell, bracket close and enter. Now again we can still verify it by selecting the values. The sum is 539 through formula and 539 told by the Excel sheet, so it has been rightly calculated. Now if I have to do it for the remaining number of rows like we have done in case of the column, we just need to drag it and the values are calculated for the remaining number of the rows. To make it verify over here, you could have also done again, select the values. The value of the sum is 550 and 550 is through our formula as well. Now if in case we don't want to calculate the whole value within a column, we want to select selective value. For example, I have just differently colored the value of black and red to create a different sum of alternative values starting from value 1, that's black. So here I am going to calculate the sum of the values which are colored in black in the column 1. I will put is equal to sign sum bracket start, then the first value, comma, second value, comma, third value, comma, fourth value, comma, another one, next, comma, next, and bracket close and 739. And if I want to keep the sequence for these columns for calculating the black value sum in this column and remaining columns, I just need to drag it to the end. Now if in case I want to verify that I have rightly put the formula, I will just press the control button and just select the cells with my mouse. Yeah, it's 682 and it's 682. You can see now here the formula has been rightly put. Same likewise we could have done in the rows as well. Now to make it repeat, or now we are going to calculate the red values in the columns for the adding them up. We put equal to sign sum bracket start, selecting values which we want to get calculated, comma, the other value, comma, then the next cell, comma, keep on repeating with the commas, as our value is complete, we just put the bracket sign for the closing bracket and put enter. Now to verify it, we just press Control button and select these values by clicking one by one with the help of a mouse or laptop you are clicking. Now here the sum is 330. I think we have skipped some value. The sum is 330. Here we have a mistake over here. In C6 instead of comma we have mistakenly put this bracket sign. Making it correct, you can see the value is 330. Now just need to drag it for the remaining number of cells and get it done. I think I should have repeated the process in order to get the understanding regarding the mistake which I have done. Starting with the sum, after equal to sign, bracket start, then write value number 1, comma, your second cell, comma, select the cell, comma, this is the last value, bracket close. Here you can see 261. To verify, we choose the values and look at the sum of the Excel. Okay, you can see 261. We accurately done it, and now just drag it to the remaining cells. Now this particular value represents the value for red number of the cells and this for the black number of the cells. So for checking it out for the red number of the cells, either it has been rightly done or not, just verify it for one cell. That will help you out to understand that remaining value has been put rightly. The sum is 484 and it's 484. The red value is rightly done. Likewise, we could have done it, check for the black values, the numbers in black color. Here the sum is 682 and 682, so it's rightly done. Now if in case it doesn't matter where you are going to put the selected value and where you are going to put the formula, if you want to just variably check it out that what is the sum of these particular values. For example, I am going to give some color. Okay, I gave to something. I think I need to change. This is not the color in the. Okay, I give yellow color to make it more bright. Let's say this cell, any cell I could have choose. There is not any problem. Just you have to put the formula for that particular cell. Now I'm choosing these cells to. Now these yellow cells within this table, I'm going to put the formula over here is equal to sum bracket. Now this value, comma, select other cell, comma, this cell, comma, this cell, comma, next value. Just choose them one by one by separating them with commas. As you have done selection for all the values, at the end you just need to put the bracket close sign and enter. It's 363 is the value. To check it out manually, you could have just clicked on the each cell while keep on pressing Control button. So here it is. I think I have done some mistake in it. Control sign. Yes. Yeah, right. It's done. You can have seen that it's 363 is the sum and 363 is the value which you have actually calculated. So thank you very much for your time today, and we are going to repeat the same informative more videos with you in the upcoming days. stay tuned to our channel Learn Planet 2. Subscribe, like and share our videos. Thank you very much.